one of the wrong beliefs you are all made to believe is, if you have wealth, you can't have health. If you have health, you can't have wealth. If you have energy, you can't have money. If you have, by the time you have money, you will not have energy. It's the worst delusion you are made to believe, which is not right. Just retain energy. Wealth will happen simply around you. Complete the incompletions you have stored against abundance. If you carry the idea, oh, if I become wealthy, I may become arrogant. I have seen many wealthy people becoming arrogant, abusive. If you carry that idea, you will never allow the wealth to become part of you. Go deeper into your cognition, biomemory, where the cognitions are stored, biomemory. And remove the cognitions you have against abundance. Boredom. If you complete that, you can manifest multiple powers which will just attract. Please understand, you carry certain magnetic power, magnetic energy field in your biomemory, which is responsible for attracting the type of people, situations around you in your life. Sometimes people come and tell me, I all the time attract the people who abuse me, Swamiji. Means you are enjoying it. You are very happy about that victim feeling. You think that is the best safe identity with which you can survive. Understand, ultimately, your bioenergy, Kundalini, should be awakened by a proper method. And with that awakened Kundalini, clean up your biomemory and muscle memory. Actually, once your bioenergy is awakened, God particle in you is awakened, doing completion will be so easy. Just by remembrance, completion will happen. Just by the decision I am completing, completion will happen. Completion will not be a spiritual practice, but it will be a spontaneous process. With awakened God particle, completion will become just a spontaneous decision. I am done, that's all. You are done. Third eye awakening can powerfully make you abundant. Really, I am telling you. Just sit with your third eye and look into your life, what all the way you can manifest wealth to fulfill your plans. And every meeting, align yourself to your third eye and start. You just know what the other person is thinking and you will talk to make the meeting successful. Third eye is the biggest gift you can use in 1,000 ways to manifest abundance in your life. Essence, the last word I want to tell you about this abundance is, let your focus be on awakening your bioenergy, God particle in you, powerfulness in you. From that source, let the wealth manifest. I tell you, It is law of life. It has to manifest. And when it manifests from that source, you will not be cheated. You will not be cheated. You will be there to enjoy the wealth. You will be there to enjoy the wealth. Having wealth and enjoying it. Essence of today's webinar. Focus more and more on awakening your bioenergy, Kundalini Shakti, God particle in you, and complete your biomemory and muscle memory.